As the release of the iPhone 15 approaches, so are speculations regarding the new phones that will be available in the autumn. We may also see the iPhone 15 adopt a more rounded form to make it more pleasant to handle one of Apple's new phones, as well as improvements to the cameras and chipsets. Expect a major iPhone 15 Pro split as Apple reserves its most important upgrades for its pricier phones. Both the 15 Pro and Pro Max are expected to include a strong new 3MA17 Bionic processor and a titanium-sided construction. The Pro Max might go one step further with a new periscope lens that boosts its zoom capabilities. According to prominent Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the iPhone 15 will operate on an improved ultra-wideband processor known as the U1 chip to better connect with the company's upcoming Air headset. The Vision Pro Ultra Broadband is a short-range wireless communication standard that is often used to monitor the position of items. According to Ming-Chi Kuo's latest Twitter tweet, this is all part of Apple's larger aim to develop a more competitive environment for Vision Pro, and when it comes to the phone's displays, we're anticipating the iPhone 15 to bring one huge upgrade over the 14. The latter sports has a 6.1-inch Super XDR OLED display with a 2532 by 1170 pixel resolution, and reports say that the 15 will follow similar. However, the series is very expected to inherit the dynamic island Apple's sophisticated screen cutout from the 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max, which should give the phone a more premium feel. According to a new tweet from Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the iPhone 15's proximity sensor will be embedded inside the dynamic island itself rather than placed below it, as Kuo mentions. The latest sensor arrangement is unlikely to make a material difference in the appearance or functionality of the 15 versus the 14 Pro, but the former's dynamic island will technically be more advanced than the latter's due to the inclusion of a previously isolated sensor beyond the dynamic island, even though the iPhone 15's display is expected to remain identical to its predecessors. Both the 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max phones have adaptive 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate technology that automatically changes the smoothness of their displays to fit whatever is going on screen, but it seems that the iPhone 15 will continue with a 14 static 60 Hz refresh rate. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.